Hi, I'm Jordan from Jordan's Easy Entertaining, and welcome to my Homemade with Love 14-day series. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable mama and baby elephant card that's available in Cricut Design Space and how to cut it out with your Cricut and assemble it. So you may have noticed that there was a slight pause in our Homemade with Love series because I had my baby this week. So I had to take a couple of days off because we were in the hospital. But now that I'm back, I need to get to sending out my thank you cards. So my baby's baby shower theme this year was a glam zoo safari. So for the thank you cards that I'm going to be sending out to everyone who came to my shower, I am making these cards. They are so cute and easy to make, and you can do it too. Let's get started. Okay, our card is included in the Crazy Cute Cards cartridge, which is included in the Cricut Access Plan. So here you can see the mom and baby elephant cards. We're just going to click on that and insert it into the project. Okay, here it is. And now I don't want to use the envelope that's included in this project. So what we do to get rid of that is go over to these eye icons on the side and just click on them, and that's going to hide the envelope from our project. So now you can see we're just left with the card itself. So now we need to do a little bit of adjusting. I want to size this differently because it's pretty small right now. So you can see this part of the card is going to limit us to what size we can make it. So up here, I'm going to go and make the card itself 10.5 inches because that's what's going to fit on my paper. So now you can see our card is sized and ready to make. So now we just go and hit make it. So over here on our project, on our mat preview, you can see there's quite a bit of space in between the images, but I can't move these pieces individually. The whole thing moves all together. And I don't know about you, but I don't like wasting paper. So I'm gonna go back into the project and I'm gonna separate those pieces so that I can have them closer together and fit more than one project on each piece of paper because I'm making multiple invitations. So what we do is ungroup the image. So now the dark gray and the light gray are separated. And now I'm going to grab the light gray pieces and I'm going to duplicate this so that I have 3 images. Now, so that I can separate each one of these pieces, I'm going to grab one of those images and come over and hit contour. So now I'm going to hide the pieces that I don't want to show up right now. So I'm going to start with the mama elephant head and hide that. And I'm also going to hide the mama elephant body. So now you can see I'm just left with the baby elephant. So I'm going to click out of that. See, now you can see just that little baby elephant is right there. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to grab this set of images and hit contour again. So now I need to hide the baby elephant because I've already got that. And I'm also going to hide the elephant body. So I'm just left with the mama elephant head. So now you can see that piece right there. And finally, we need to go back in, hit contour again. This time we just need the mama elephant body. So I'm going to hide the mama elephant head and the baby elephant. And now we're just left with the mama elephant body. So now we can go hit make it. And you can see on this map preview, it's taking up less space even without having to move the images. So now I'm going to make several of these thank you cards. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2 for right now. I'm going to end up cutting out a total of 20, but just to make things easy right now, let's just cut out 2. So now you can see how everything's connected. So we're gonna go ahead and connect to the machine. You can see it connecting to my maker right here through Bluetooth. And the materials that we're gonna be using is medium cardstock. So I have medium cardstock listed in my favorites, but if you don't have favorites, you can just head over to Popular and it's available in that material list also. So now we are ready to cut out at least the light gray pieces of the mama and baby elephant cards. So here, I've already got my mat loaded with the light gray. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out those pieces and set them aside. Now, before we cut out the dark gray, this is one of the only times when I prefer the scoring stylus over the scoring wheel because this material is really easy to fold anyway, and it's a very minimal score line anyway. So this is going to save us some time and an extra step by switching over to the scoring wheel. So all we do is go to Edit Tools and click the scoring stylus, and then insert that into Clamp A, and then we don't have to worry about switching out the tools or anything when we're making these cards. So here you can see it's scoring. It's a very quick score. And then just as we did with the light gray, the machine is going to go ahead and cut out the rest of the card in the dark gray. So now you can see I'm bending my mat backwards because that makes it easier I find it easier to remove, but also bending the mat instead of the paper keeps the cardstock from curling on your card. So just be careful doing that because you don't want to snap your mat by being too aggressive. Then clean off your mat and return the protective covering just to keep it nice. Now to assemble the card, you've got all your pieces together, and I like to use the flat edge of my scraper to get a nice clean crisp fold. So go ahead and do that, and then turn the main part of your card over and use a glue stick to glue the back of the card. Now place the light gray on your table and attach the dark gray straight on top of there, lining it up so that the feet line up, and then just press that down to hold it in place. Now fold the card for the mama head and make sure that it lines up because it's super annoying when you accidentally put glue on the wrong side. So then put glue on the dark gray part of the mama head because you don't want to put it on the light gray part in case you overdo it. You don't want to accidentally glue that light gray piece to your table. So just put glue on the dark gray piece for now. And then again, press it down in place. And then take the other dark gray piece of the mama head and do the same thing. Apply glue to the back and then stick it onto the light gray part of the mama elephant's head. And then make sure you line it up correctly. Now for the main part of the baby elephant's body. Again, just some glue. And then line up the baby elephant's body and stick it on there. Then after your glue is all dry and you've written your message, you can go ahead and hook the elephant trunks together, and that looks super cute. So now it's not extremely obvious that you can open that, so I'm gonna write on the back of mine just to unhook the trunks for everybody that I send my card to. And that's it. This card is finished and ready to go in the mail after its message. Well, that's it for today's project. You can find the link to this cut file in Cricut Design Space over on my blog, jordanseasyentertaining.com. And you can find further instructions over there as well on how to put this together. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel while you're at it, and if you make any of the projects or recipes during the Homemade with Love series, I'd love to see them. Join my Facebook group. I'll have a link down to that below as well. Come back for the rest of the series. Hope to see you next time. Bye!